Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm at 1,000 plus subscribers, and if you are new, welcome on board, and I'm really happy to have you here. So today I'm going to show you a quick fix of how you can do your hair when you have no time, literally, and your hair is open. It's usually a bit stressful to think, what do I do to my hair? So if you haven't jumped on the Faux Bun bandwagon, if you haven't jumped on the Faux Bun bandwagon, like, you might want to try it out, especially if you keep your hair open most of the times, and two, if you are trying to protect your ends. It's really a good idea if you have weak ends or you're just generally trying to protect your ends. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, which is just a quick fix. And just a gentle reminder, please vote for my blog, Just Maggie, for the Bake Awards. The deadline is, I think, 29th April, which is on Sunday. So if you have time, I'm going to put the link below here. You can vote for my blog under the category number 20C. The link is justmaggie.com. If you haven't checked it out, please have a look and you can leave a comment and I'll get right back to you. So in the meantime, enjoy this tutorial, which is just a quick fix, and like this video. So off camera, I had sprayed some water on my hair, and now I'm going to just give it an extra boost of moisture by using a leave-in conditioner before proceeding to tie my hair up. I'm going to be using a gel, the Shea Solutions Curl Defining Gel, to lay my hair neatly, and I'm just going to apply that all around before proceeding to tie it up with a scarf so that it can neatly lay down. After a few minutes, I'm going to proceed to put on the bun. As you can see, it's elastic. So I'm just going to place it on the bun that I had created with my hair, and I'm going to position it where it feels very comfortable before proceeding to tie it up, and I'm going to use pins just to make sure that it's comfortable and well secured. So that's it, guys. It's very simple, and that's why I call it a quick fix, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe and leave a comment below.